If you're a first-time home buyer, this video could save you thousands of dollars and a whole lot of stress. Before you start scrolling Zillow or talking to lenders, you need to know these tips. Hey everyone, I'm Doug, and today we're breaking down the most important first-time home buyer tips, what to do, what to avoid, and how to buy your first home the smart way. Tip 1, know your real budget. Just because a lender approves you for a certain amount doesn't mean you should spend it. Your monthly payment should still leave room for life, utilities, groceries, travel, and savings. Tip 2, check your credit early. Before you ever talk to a lender, pull your credit report. Fix errors. Avoid opening new accounts and don't buy big ticket items until after closing. Tip 3, save more than the down payment. First-time buyers are often surprised by closing cost inspections, appraisals, and moving expenses. Have a cushion. You'll thank yourself later. Tip 4, look into first-time homebuyer programs. Many first-time buyers qualify for down payment assistance or special loan programs and don't even know it. These programs can seriously reduce your upfront costs. Tip 5, get pre-approved, not pre-qualified. A pre-approval makes your offer stronger and helps you shop with confidence instead of guessing. Tip 6, separate needs from wants. Focus on what you need, location, space, commute, and be flexible on cosmetic wants. Paint is cheap, bad location isn't. Tip 7, never skip the home inspection. Even brand new or as-is homes can have issues. An inspection protects you and gives you leverage. Tip 8, understand your contingencies. Inspections, appraisals, and financing contingencies exist to protect you. Don't waive things you don't fully understand. Tip 9, avoid emotional buying. Bidding wars can push buyers past their comfort zone. Winning the house but hating the payment is not a win. Tip 10, plan for the first year. Furniture, blinds, lawn equipment, and repairs add up fast.
Message from
Budget
unknown.
for the reality of homeownership, not just the purchase. In closing, if you're a first-time home buyer and want help navigating the process or want tips specific to your local market, drop a comment or reach out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone buying their first home. Make it a great day. Stay safe out there.